And then above the rafters, there's this secret spot. Okay, so what we're looking at here is something pretty cool. It is a hotel that we scanned using several different methods. We had a LiDAR drone that flew overhead this entire area, and we created a LiDAR set from that. And that is, that's this thing here. And then we also walked this site with a handheld BLK2Go scanner, and we created a whole cloud from that as well. And then we used Cyclone to merge them together, and that's what you're looking at here. And so in this, we have the drone LiDAR imagery that we pulled in, and then when you get down into the building, we actually have interiors there as well. And so we are gonna go here. What you're looking at here is the classification color. So all this furniture is coded as furniture, and all of the building is coded as building. Okay, so obviously in the upper right, that's our pool. If I just zoom all the way back out, we've got all of the trees that you can easily see. We can turn those off, by the way, with the classification viewer. We can just say we don't want to see low, medium, or high vegetation. If I turn those back on, you can see all of that, coming back in. We walked around with the scanner up on a pole, and we captured all the roof information so that could tie with the drone LiDAR. And then we walked around on the inside as well. And so as you zoom in here, you can see, those are the individual corridors, that have been mapped. This is the primary corridor. This is the sample room that we were able to get into. And there were a couple other rooms that were being cleaned across the corridor. And so we got into those as well, so we could see that. And then when we come over here, this is the main restaurant area up in the upper right there. And so you can see those are the tables and the bar area. And as we move up, this is kind of cool. So over in this area, there's where the piano is. There's actually a hidden area here, and there's a ghost. There are rumored to be ghosts, that live up there. You can kind of see right over here. There are stairs going up that are closed to the public, but the upper level starts to come in. So those are the rafters from the lobby level, and then above the rafters, there's this secret spot. There's this secret like lofted area where there's a little writer's desk. They use this for maintenance now. But in the back there's stairs. So from there's actually stairs right here that you can see going down into this other secret room right over here. And anyway, that's the kind of stuff that that you can start to see once you image a whole building.